I'm gonna share with you my hair story journey, like why I cut my hair short, because I was a girl who always used to have long. Also, I'm gonna do some summary sort of makeup look. And if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends. So let's get started. I'm using this body lotion. It also has SPF, and I got this for free while I was ordering something from like Purple. I got this lot of stuff from Purple for my summer essentials, and I even made that video for that matter, so you can go and check it out if you're just interested. And it has also SPF, which is a great thing. Like it will make my skin safe from the harmful sun and everything. So I have got this moisturizer. Now I'm going to use sunscreen, and this is Neutrogena Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. Sunblocks are really important, guys. So today I'm going to do some summery and yellow sort of makeup look. So talking about my hair, guys, I'm really excited for this hair look, because like I was a girl who always had this long hair. I will even post a picture over here. Like I always used to have long hair, and my mother used to think that hairs are like women's ornament and you shouldn't cut them and it looks really good on me, stuff like that. So I never tried to cut my hair, but last year I went for like some long bob cut, and that was like short from behind and it comes long over here. So yeah, kind of long bob, and it really looked cool on me, and I thought like even short hair looks good on me. So I went for that, and my mother was not able to accept that it looks good on me. She was like, no, you look good in long hair. But I was like, okay. So my mother always suggested me to like have long hair, but she never forced me, kind of. So, and now I think this is the perfect time to experiment anything you want, and I really want to go short hair. Like I want to go like bald. I don't know, guys, with hair I always want to experiment. I love long hair just to like watch others. If anyone will have long hair, I will love that, but on me long hair is really hustle, especially during the summer. Like my hair gets really greasy and oily, and if you have long hair, then you will have to like have another half an hour or 1 hour to wash your hair. It will be another department. And when you have short hair, just go and have a shower and just you are done. So for that, I even love short hair, and I just love how it feels. Like it looks like, it makes me look like really childish and everything. So I'm done with putting some BB cream. I'm not going with foundation because it will be really heavy in this summertime. So yeah, I'm gonna set this with some powder, and I love it. I love it. So I watched this lot of tutorials on like internet to how to cut bangs, and I cut my own bangs. And I told my mother like, let's just cut my hair, and she was like, no, I'm not gonna cut your hair now. You have so long hair. Like I am a girl who always have this straight hair. Like a lot of people used to think that I have straightened my hair, like smoothed it out and everything, going to parlor and spending lots of money. But I have never done that. It's my natural hair. I never like straighten my hair to make a YouTube video. These are my natural hair. So they are really smooth and silky, good texture, everything. But I don't know, I don't like long hairs. Like, and another thing is like the pony and dread and any other hairstyle doesn't suit me, or I haven't found the correct hairstyle, like how to make that. But I think it didn't suit me, and I have to every time leave my hair open, and that even lead to a lot of mess, that sweat and hair get mixed together, and hair get really oily, and when you have short hair you just can't wash it like with no hustle, and when you have long hair then you just have to take a lot of time to clean it. And I'm really lazy, guys. Like I just don't want to spend an hour in washing my hair, so I just want to cut it. And I love how it looks, like really love the feel. And about bangs, I wasn't sure like how it's gonna look on me, but I just cut it down, and I think they are just here, guys. They will grow it again. But experimenting is really important, and this summer, like every season, I just want to give my a new makeover kind of thing. Yeah, so love the way. So I'm gonna put some blush now. So actually my hair, like I told my mother to cut my hair, and she was really not ready to cut my hair, but finally, like I told her I just want to do some experiment and cut my hair. I've always wanted to cut short hair, and it's this summer. I just can't handle this long hair and stuff. So yeah, she cut it off, and while she was cutting my hair, she was like, oh my god, I would have pasted it on my scalp if it was possible, and it's so good here while you are cutting it and stuff. So I didn't film it because I wasn't doing it for content or anything, and yeah, it looks gross, guys. So done with my blush, and now I'm gonna put some mascara. No, before that I will be doing some eye makeup. So from this palette, let's get this palette. I'm gonna pick this yellow shade because yellow are like summery vibes. Just guys, do let me know in the comment box like what kind of girl you are. Like you have long hair, short hair, what do you prefer, or was your mother even that like strict like me, who never allows you to cut short hair? Guys, I'm done with eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna put some mascara. Like mascara is really important, guys. Like it just make your eyes look open and makes you look awake, like when you have those sleepy eyes. You can even use like pencil, kajal or eyeliner, but today I'm not using anything. I just want to keep it simple. So now I'm gonna use this lipstick. It is new lipstick and nude nuance from Maybelline. It's my go-to lipstick. I put this lipstick all the time. I just totally forget to make my brows, and what I do with my brows is take the same mascara and comb it like this. So what it does is it gives little like pigmentation to my eyes and also set them in the place so it won't move. So this is the hack I use, and it's really worked for me, and I just love how it looks. So cute. And I just love my hair, guys. I love my hair. I love short hair. Do let me know in the comment box what do you think of my hair and how it looks on me. And also guys, comment down below that what are you guys doing this quarantine. I'm just bored. Like sometime I'm just bored as hell, and someday I just film this video and like share with you guys things and stuff. So I really feel like good some days, but some days are really exhausting, like living at home 24/7 and just piss my mind. So do let me know in the comment box what are your thoughts and what you guys are doing at home. So now I'm gonna quickly set my hair off camera and get back to you.